What if I told you that your birth certificate age is only half the story? Imagine two people born on the same day. One looks and feels decades younger, the other struggles with energy and health. The difference? Biological age, a measure of how your cells and systems are actually aging. Today, we're diving into the science of biological age testing, sometimes called the longevity clock. Could this be the ultimate tool to measure if your lifestyle choices are truly extending your health span? Let's find out. Don't forget, if you're looking for trusted supplements and tools to support your journey, check the description below. We've included highly rated, science-backed products to help you on your path to longevity. Number 1. What is biological age? Chronological age is how many birthdays you've had. Biological age is how well your body is actually functioning. It's influenced by genetics, lifestyle, stress, nutrition, sleep, and even your social connections. A 50-year-old marathoner who eats well and sleeps deeply may have the biological age of someone in their late 30s. Meanwhile, a 40-year-old smoker with poor diet and chronic stress may test closer to 60. Biological age is not fixed. It's dynamic and can be changed by choices. Number 2. DNA methylation. The core measure. The leading science behind biological age testing is DNA methylation. This involves chemical tags that attach to DNA, influencing which genes are active or silent. Over time, patterns of methylation change, and researchers have found these patterns closely track aging. Tests like Horvath's epigenetic clock, Hannum's clock, and PhenoAge are widely studied in research. These are not guesses. They've been validated against mortality and disease risk across thousands of people. But here's the catch: no clock is perfect. Results can vary depending on the algorithm and the tissue tested. Your saliva, blood, and even cheek swab may give slightly different numbers. Still, they are currently the best window we have into real-time aging. Number 3. Other measures beyond DNA. DNA methylation gets the spotlight, but it's not the only tool. Telomere length, the protective caps on your chromosomes, has long been studied as a marker of aging. However, telomere testing is less accurate because it varies widely from cell to cell. Other companies test things like inflammatory proteins, blood sugar, cholesterol, and advanced glycation end products. Think of these as secondary clocks. They add context, but they aren't as precise as DNA methylation. Number 4. Accuracy and limitations. So how accurate are these tests? If you send your saliva to 3 different companies, you may get 3 different results. Most scientists agree they can give you a trend, whether you're aging faster or slower than expected, but they should not be taken as absolute truth. Lifestyle, hydration, even stress on the day you test can nudge your results. The real power is in retesting after 6 months to a year. If your biological age is moving in the right direction, your habits are working. Number 5. What can you actually do with the data? Here's where people often get confused. A biological age test is not meant to predict the exact year you'll die. It's simply a feedback tool. If your biological age is higher than your chronological age, it's a wake-up call to focus on nutrition, sleep, stress, and exercise. If it's lower, it's validation that your current routine is paying off. Some people use it to test specific interventions. Does intermittent fasting reduce my biological age? Does meditation help? It turns your body into a real-time experiment. Number 6. Stories from the field. Take Brian Johnson, the tech entrepreneur investing millions into anti-aging. His biological age tests suggest he is over 5 years younger than his chronological age. On the other hand, everyday people in clinical studies have shown reductions of 1 to 3 years in biological age just by improving diet, walking more, and sleeping better. This shows you don't need $1 million lab. Everyday choices still move the needle. Number 7. Lifestyle factors that move your clock. What really matters is how you live. Nutrition. Diets high in polyphenols, omega-3s, and fiber reduce inflammation and support methylation health. Movement. Strength training and daily walking lower biological age markers. Sleep. Consistent deep sleep restores methylation patterns and hormone balance. Stress. Chronic stress accelerates aging, while mindfulness, nature, and breathwork slow it down. Connection. People with strong social bonds often test younger biologically. These aren't flashy hacks. They are the timeless fundamentals of longevity science. Number 8. The future of biological age testing. Biological age testing is still young. Expect the science to evolve in the next decade, with AI, multi-omics, like microbiome plus proteome plus epigenome, and even wearable integrations. Imagine your smartwatch giving you a weekly biological age report based on your sleep, HRV, glucose, and more. That's where this field is headed. The key takeaway: use the data for awareness and direction, not obsession. So in conclusion, the longevity clock is not a crystal ball. It won't tell you the exact day you'll die, but it will shine a light on whether your daily habits are truly extending your health span. Think of it as a compass, pointing you toward a longer, stronger life. Don't forget, check the description for trusted supplements and resources that can support your journey. And if you prefer everything in one place, from routines to checklists, our book Longevity Compass, the essential guide to living longer, stronger, and healthier is your next step. So, how old are you really? Your chronological age may say one thing, but your biological age may tell an entirely different story. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.